Hello friends, this is your host Harish Bali from technofair.com. Today I am going to talk about how to create a Wi-Fi hotspot in Windows 10. There are two ways you can do that. Let's start with the first one using command prompt. Type CMD in the search box, do a right click and run it as an administrator. Once the command prompt opens, we need to check whether the system supports this feature or not. For that, type netsh space WLAN space show space drivers, hit enter. Scroll up. Look for this hosted network supported. If this says yes, carry on with the steps. If this says no, that means your system doesn't support this particular feature. In that scenario, follow the second method that we will talk in few minutes from now. Scroll down back. In this step, we are going to set the SSID name and the key. For that, type netsh space WLAN space set again space hosted network. Hosted network comes without any space in between. Mode equal to allow space SSID equal to set any 8-digit minimum SSID. That's the Wi-Fi name. I'll go ahead and set the digits from 1 to 8. Space key. Key is the password. For key, I am writing the digits reverse from 8 to 1. Once done, hit enter. Look for this thing. The hosted network mode has been set to allow, which means this has been changed. When you are doing this, make sure that your SSID and password both are minimum 8-digit long. What we are now going to do is we are going to start this hosted network. Type netsh space WLAN space start space hosted network. Hit enter. Hosted network has started. We now need to check whether the hosted network has actually got created or not. For that, type netsh space WLAN space show space hosted network. Word hosted network comes without any space in between. Hit enter. Mode is allowed. This is the SSID key. Status is started. Look for these three things before you proceed. Another thing, if you notice, max number of clients is 100, which means 100 people can connect using this Wi-Fi hosted network if you follow the command prompt method. We need to follow one more step before we start using the hotspot. Let's close this window. For that, open run command using the Windows key and R. Type ncpa.cpl there. Hit OK. This is my main active Wi-Fi connection. If I was using an Ethernet cable, then this would be enabled. I need to do a right click on the active Wi-Fi, go to properties, click on sharing tab, check this box, allow other network users to connect through this computer internet connection. Open this and select the new Wi-Fi connection that has come up here. Local area connection 13. Select this. Ensure that this particular box is unchecked and proceed. Just connected my Android device with the system. Scroll down from the top and we'll search for the available Wi-Fi. My system is currently set to the current Wi-Fi and this new Wi-Fi is available. 12345678 is the SSID. We'll click on this. Enter the password, which is reverse from 8 to 1. Great. And now we'll try to connect it. Yes, it's connected. Now I can go ahead and create Wi-Fi at multiple hotspots using this SSID and the passkey. In a situation you are not able to follow these steps, there is a troubleshooting step I am going to share with you. For that, let's close this window. Go to Device Manager. Enter. Go to View from the top. Show Hidden Devices. Scroll down and you will see Network Adapters. Under Network Adapters, check this particular adapter, Microsoft Hosted Network Virtual Adapter. If this is disabled, you need to enable it. In my case, it's already enabled. Now the way to enable is do a right click and then enable it from here. But like I mentioned, it's enabled already, so it's showing disable service. If it's disabled, still you are not able to follow the steps, then update the driver in all the cases. Worst case scenario, still if you are not able to follow the steps, you will need to disable the drivers or install out of the network adapters that are already there. We are done with the hotspot creation process in Windows 10. Just in case if you want to stop this process, go back to CMD. Again right click, run as administrator. Type netsh space wlan space stop space hosted network. Hit enter. Hosted network has stopped. We are done with the first process. For some reason, if you don't want to use CMD or if your system doesn't allow you to use the CMD process because it doesn't support it, you can follow the other method which is supported by Windows 10 itself. For that, click on Start menu, then Settings, Network and Internet. From left hand side, click on Mobile Hotspot. If you want to change the SSID or the network password, you can do that from this Edit Password option. I'm keeping this same. In my case, it's Wi-Fi. If you are using Ethernet cable, show Ethernet here. Enable hotspot from this button. It's now enabled. Let me now connect my Android device to the system to show you how it reflects. Before that, you can connect 0 to 8. This means you can connect up to 8 devices using this hotspot feature. Scroll down. This is my current Wi-Fi. This is Technofare 4827. Technofare 4827. Let's enter the password. Connect. Yes, this has got connected. Advantage of using this method is that you can check the devices, their IP from which they are connected. That's it for now. Any comments, input, feedback, most welcome. Please write them all in comments below. I look forward to your viewership on Technofare. Thanks for your time.